Hi, good morning. Ooh. Here is my cat. I named him JingJing because it's actually a junior. He looks a lot like his mom. I am sharing this because I want to show you how sweet this cat is. He actually loves rubbing his face on my beard and he won't stop actually. Kaya nga, maya-maya lang, pupunta na naman dito yan. Let me call him, yeah. Jing Jing. Jing. Ika. Dito. Jing. Look. Look. Okay. This cat is so sweet. But that's Jing Jing's language of love because he doesn't want to be cuddled. He doesn't want to be held. Held like this is okay, but like you know how you will do it in other kittens and our dogs that you cuddle them, you hold them like babies. No, he doesn't like that. So cats also have language of love. Did I say it correctly? So yeah, that's his. Now, reflecting on what he's doing. Look. Okay. Mm. This cat just likes to be let alone, and then if he wants to be sweet, he will just he will just come to me and then again rub his face here. Sometimes if I am quite far, he will just like calling me. Yeah, Jing Jing, Ika Jing Jing, Jing Jing, come here, come here. Oh, see, automatic. Mm. Yeah. You have to love your cats because. Mm, mm, okay, it's time to say. Mag-goodbye na sana ako. Gusto pa rin niya. Okay, again, as in my previous vlogs, this cat once again saved me from snakes. So, yeah, that's why I love them. See? Look. So, love your cats. Don't forget to love your pets because your pets are usually, they say that they have the animal instinct when they know when you're happy, they know when you're sad, they know when something's going on, right? Okay, so there. You would like to say bye bye, Jing Jing? Say bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Sabi niya, oh. Bye bye. Okay. Enjoy the rest of the day, guys. I don't know whether you will watch this at night, but yeah. God bless you all, and let's spread positivity. And remember that mental health is real. So listen to your body, listen to your mind. Bye-bye. This is a short one. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. You say terima kasih because you are in Indonesian. Okay. Oh, gumagano siya. Terima kasih. Dakal pong salamat. Bye-bye.